Now that you've confirmed your U-Card application has been approved, it is time to add your U-Card to your device. The first step is to download the Transact eAccount app from your mobile app store. If you already have the app, please be sure to update it. Click through the prompts, and then search and select York University and tap on U-Card. You'll have to sign in to your Passport York. The second step is to add to your wallet. Once arrived at the dashboard, select Add to Apple/Google Wallet. The Add to Wallet button may take up to 60 minutes to appear after the approval email is sent. If the button doesn't appear after 24 hours, you should contact the U-Card office for support. Click through the prompts to add your card to your wallet. Verify if your card has been successfully added to your mobile wallet by clicking View Wallet or opening the Wallet app. And now you're done. Quick note, you can only add your U-Card on one phone and/or Apple Watch. Also, if you run into any issues, please visit the U-Card office for troubleshooting support. You got your U-Card. Check out our next video on how to use your U-Card.